Preliminary Report of the Commission on Atomic Weights. A 4-page historical document narrated by Felix Warren. Reprint from Information Bulletin number 14B. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Secretary General, Dr. R. Morph, care of F. Hoffman Laroche et Cie, S.A., Bâle, 2, Suisse. Preliminary Report of the Commission on Atomic Weights. Introduction. The tentative decision of IUPAC at the Munich Conference in 1959 to replace the chemical scale of atomic weights by a new scale based on carbon isotope 12 as the reference species was given final approval at the Montreal Conference. This action was taken in view of a similar action by the International Union of Pure and Applied Physics in 1960 to replace the physical scale for which oxygen isotope 16 was the reference species, by the carbon-12 scale. If the actions taken by the two unions are adhered to by physicists and chemists generally, all nuclidic masses and atomic weights and the quantities and constants derived from them will henceforth be expressed on a common scale for which the exact number 12 is taken as the relative nuclidic atomic mass of carbon isotope 12. The full report of the Commission on Atomic Weights will be published in the Comptes Rendus of the Montreal Conference. In order to make the revised values for atomic weights available as promptly as possible, the 1961 table, based on the carbon-12 scale, is printed herewith. Changes from the 1959 table are the result not only of the systematic changes required by the change of scale, but of the reevaluation by the Commission of the experimental work from which the atomic weight of each element is derived. Several values are given to a higher precision, more decimal digits, than heretofore. This applies primarily to mononuclidic elements, but also to a few others in keeping with the long-standing policy of the Commission to indicate the highest possible precision consistent with the convention of using as the last digit the one believed to be reliable within half its value. Where this convention is not applicable, the estimated experimental uncertainty is given in a footnote. In keeping with the practice of recent years, atomic weights are not given for radioactive elements other than thorium and uranium because the atomic weights of such elements are variable depending upon their natural source or the mode of their artificial preparation. In its report to the Council, the Commission recommended that its name be changed to Commission on Atomic Masses, and that the customary table should be entitled Table of Relative Atomic Masses. Approval of these recommendations was withheld by the Committee of the Section of Inorganic Chemistry, pending their consideration by the Commission on Inorganic Nomenclature. It is expected that the question will be resolved before the full report of the Commission is published in the Comptes Rendus of the Montreal Conference. 5th October, 1961. Commission on Atomic Weights. T. Batoakis, President. J. Guerin, Secretary. If you liked this video, please like, comment, or subscribe, and thank you very much for listening and watching.